This is video 2 of our 7 video series, and we're going to talk about promoting the right products and how to win affiliate contests that have cash prizes for the top affiliates. These are the people who sell the most copies of a digital product. Today we're going to talk about how to choose the right products to promote. It's not always about promoting every new thing that comes along or promoting all of the really big ticket items. It's about choosing products that are a good fit for your audience. If you're just getting started, you may not really know what your audience will respond to. If that's the case, you can just experiment with products you think your audience might respond well to, and over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of what people are willing to buy. Let's say you want to build a list, but you don't currently have one, or perhaps you have a very small list. If that's the case, you'd want to promote a product that's extremely popular, one that people are actively searching for information about. Then create blog posts about the product to attract search engine traffic. If you already know your audience, you probably know the types of products they respond well to. If a major launch comes along, you may be tempted to jump on board simply because of the high commissions or the affiliate cash prizes, but try to avoid the temptation. This may only alienate your list members if they feel you're promoting a lot of products that aren't relevant to them. After all, no one likes to get a bunch of emails that are of no interest to them. Choose products carefully. If your list is on the topic of golf, don't send them offers for products in the dating niche. Sure, a few people on your list might be interested in dating products, but do you want to risk having people unsubscribe because you're sending them offers they're not interested in? It's not worth it. You may think that because someone signs up to your list about blogging, that they'd also be interested in a product about e-commerce, but that's not necessarily the case. So, if you're going to promote a product outside of your normal niche, it's a good idea to be rather conservative about the number of emails you send out. The reverse is true if you're promoting a product that is right on target for your list. And in our next lesson, we're going to talk about the importance of consistency and how you can use consistency to increase your conversions and sales and get closer to winning those affiliate contests. Let's meet up on the next video.